In Spanish, un and una mean a, like a book or a house. The plurals are unos and unas, which means some or a few, and they literally mean ones. Here are some example phrases.
Un taco, unos tacos. Una ensalada, unas ensaladas.
In Spanish, poco means little or few. Mucho means many or a lot, and it's a cognate of multi, like in multiple. Here's the sound change tip. CH becomes LT. The Spanish word for all is a cognate of total. Here's the sound change tip. D becomes T. Here are some example sentences.
Juan es poco famoso. Muchas gracias. Todo es posible.
In Spanish, de means from or of, and a means to. When de combines with el, meaning the, it becomes del, meaning from the. Likewise, a plus el becomes al, meaning to the, and voy means I go. Here are some example sentences.
Shakira es de Colombia. El taco del restaurante es delicioso. Voy a la plaza. Voy al restaurante. ¿Qué? ¿Para qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
These words and phrases mean what, for what, why, and because. Here are some example sentences.
¿Qué es? Es un gato. ¿Para qué es la mesa? ¿Por qué es famoso Juan? Porque es un actor.
In Spanish, como means how, and donde means where. Estas means you are, while esta is used for he, she, or it is. And bien means well. It's a cognate of bene, like in benefit. The sound change tip is I-E becomes E. Here are some example sentences.
¿Cómo estás? Bien. ¿Dónde está Juan? En el restaurante.
In Spanish, tienes means you have, and tiene means he, she, or it has. Lo que means that, and algunos means some. Here are some example sentences.
¿Tienes algunos tacos? ¿Tienes todo lo que necesitas? Juan tiene hambre. ¿Haces? Hacer, puedes.
These words mean you do or you make, to do or to make, and you can. Here are some example sentences.
¿Qué haces? ¿Puedes visitar mi restaurante? Tú lo puedes hacer.
To say this in Spanish, it's este or esta. To say these in Spanish, it's estes or estas. When referring to something in general, you use esto. For example, in a market or restaurant. To ask for the thing you want, just say esto and point. Here are some examples.
Este taco, estos tacos, esta ensalada, estas ensaladas, esto, estos.
To say that or those in Spanish, we'll just go straight into the examples.
Ese taco, esos tacos, esa ensalada, esas ensaladas. Eso, esos.
You've now learned a majority of the high-frequency words in Spanish. You will quickly learn the rest of the high-frequency words in the first few lessons. In Spanish, the high-frequency words only number around 80, and they account for about 40% of everyday Spanish.